Hello everyone and welcome. This is George from the Sapio Pool, a Greek Cardano stake pool community. Here is a short video on the steps required to send your ADA from the Flint wallet to the Milkyswap exchange. This is what the Milkyswap exchange looks like, but first let's get started with the Flint wallet. The Flint wallet is an extension of Google Chrome like Metamask. Here is the link, which I will also have at the bottom of the video. Here is a quick look at the Flint wallet. I have a little bit of ADA inside, but first we must set up our Metamask wallet with the Milky media chain in order to receive our ADA. Here is the page on how you can configure your Metamask wallet. A link will be posted at the bottom of the video, so don't worry. First step is to make sure Metamask is installed on your Chrome browser. I'm not going to go through that today, but everyone is, I'm confident everyone knows how to set that up. As shown here on your Metamask, select from the drop-down link, add network, and enter the following details, and then click save. Perfect. So now we have the two wallets needed to use Milkyswap exchange. So now I'm going to show you how the process on how you can send ADA from your Flint wallet. When this process occurs, ADA will be sent from the Flint wallet and you receive Milk ADA in your Metamask wallet. Okay, so once received to your Metamask wallet, you will see that it will show Milk ADA in your Metamask wallet. And then we move off to the Milkyswap exchange, where I will show you and give you a small example or a short example on how to use the Milkyswap exchange. Okay, so this is from Flint wallet. This is how you send ADA to your Metamask wallet. Okay, from your Flint wallet, you click send. And it's very important that you click the Milky media mode beta in order for the token to move from the ADA address to the Milky media address. And the reason we do this is to move the token from the ADA blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, then let's put the Ethereum address to the Flint wallet. Go to your Metamask, click on the address that you have, copy it, go back to Flint, we click send, let it load, click the Milky Media mode beta, as explained, paste your address, click the amount, we have a small amount in here, we'll just put 10 for the video, and click continue. Enter your password. Once you have entered your password, click send. And in a few seconds, you should receive your Milk ADA to your Metamask wallet. Okay, from here, we head over to the Milkyswap exchange. And the first step is to connect our wallet, which we click up here at the top right corner. We select our Metamask and we are connected. And don't forget to be connected to the Milky Media Cardano exchange. Okay, now that we are connected, we click swap. And the first thing we do is we will need to swap our Milk ADA to Milky, and you can also swap to any token you desire, but for the following, In order to add liquidity, we will swap some milk adder for Milky and water, which will allow us to farm our tokens. Okay, for the video, I'm just going to swap one milk adder for some Milky. You click swap, then it will click confirm swap. Metamask will ask you to confirm the transaction. Just give us a few seconds while it loads. Okay, it tells us obviously the fee, the gas fee in order to swap, which is pretty cheap. Click confirm. Beautiful. So you add your Milky to the MetaMask, confirm the transactions are confirmed. Add token, and this should show up on your MetaMask, which we can see here, 3.68 milk adder. The good thing with Milkyswap exchange is, as you can see, the gas fees are nice and cheap, and the setting up is pretty easy, I believe. So from here, we click pool, and here's the procedure in order to add liquidity for farming and earn Milkys. So let's add liquidity. We click add. Here you can see milk adder, and we must select water, which is the important thing is you add liquidity 50-50. So these are the two pairs needed to add liquidity, milk adder and water. So now from milk adder, we swap to water in order to have the pair we need to add liquidity. We'll just do one if it allows us. If it doesn't, we will do a little bit more. Give it a... Whoops, I clicked the wrong one. Instead of liquidity, must keep it at swap. So milk adder to water, as you can see, it's 1 for 1. We click wrap, confirm. Transactions are confirmed, and then we go to liquidity. Once liquidity is added, we click farm, and we select the pool we want to join, the Milky water pool. We click manage positions, and here is where we add liquidity. So we've got one water, which will be 0.479825 Milky. We confirm that and add the liquidity, confirm supply. We wait for the confirmations. Click confirm. Transactions complete. And now we have added liquidity and now farming our Milky and water. Click staking, max, and confirm deposit, which now allows us to stake our Milky and water. We confirm it. Just wait for it to confirm. Oops, failed transaction. Okay, we'll try that again. But what is important once you add liquidity is you click staking in order to farm your tokens. Confirm deposit. Confirm, and hopefully this time it works. Perfect. So this time it worked. Okay, so that was the procedure. As you can see, it was fairly easy, and I hope you understood what's needed. You can always come to our Discord if you have any questions or need help, and we will gladly help and guide you. Thanks for listening, and I hope this short video helped. If you're also interested and would like to join our community or delegate to our pool, please join our Discord. The link will be at the bottom of the video. Until next time. Until next time, goodbye, good luck, and thank you.